Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and in this tutorial we'll be painting a beautiful watercolor croissant together using my Watercolor Procreate Brushes set, which you can download from the link in the description below. Before we start, make sure you have downloaded the free sketch, color palette and reference image. They'll help you follow along easily. First, place the sketch above all other layers and change its blend mode from normal to multiply. Then select the Draw Here layer. Let's pick the main brush, set the size to 61% and choose a soft light yellow from the palette. With gentle light strokes, start painting the areas of the croissant that are catching the most light. Next, switch to the second color, a deeper, buttery yellow, and softly build up the golden brown areas on the lighter side of the croissant. Using the same color, add delicate hints of the doughs layer where they peek out from the shadows, giving our croissant more structure. Now let's pick a light orange shade. We'll use it to define the crisper, toasted parts on the shadows side of the croissant where the baking has brought out those rich, warm tones. To blend everything together and soften any harsh transitions, switch to the water blend brush, set to 34% and lightly brush along the edges of the colors. Once the base is ready, it's time to bring in more delicious details. Create a new layer, go back to the main brush and pick a rich orange color. With loose, confident strokes, start adding texture on the surface. Let some of the background color peek through. This gives our croissant a natural flaky feel. Next, take a dark orange color and build up even more depth. With small layered strokes, we show how the delicate pastry layers catch the light differently across the surface. Then, using a dark burgundy shade, add a few deeper lines and shadows to give the croissant an even more mouth-watering, dimensional look. Don't forget to add a few strokes with the orange color back onto the lighter areas, tying the whole piece together with warmth and cohesion. Once you are happy with the texture, merge these two layers so we can move on. Pick the water blend brush again, set it to 20% and very carefully blend along the direction of the strokes. The idea is to soften the texture a bit without losing those beautiful layers we created. Now for even more realism, let's add some soft shadows between the layers of the croissant. Create a new layer above the draw hair layer and set it to multiply. Using the cloud brush and a light brown color at 15%, gently stroke in the spaces between the those layers, suggesting depth and softness. For the lighter section, switch to an even softer brown and add more subtle shading. This helps keep the croissant light and fluffy where it catches more light. Let's bring in a bit of sparkle now. Create another new layer, choose the main brush and pour white and start placing small highlights on the glossy parts of the croissant. While you continue to draw, let me quickly share something with you. If you are enjoying this tutorial and want to take your skills to the next level, I'd love to invite you to join my Patreon. As a Premium Patron, you'll get instant access to over 70 step-by-step tutorials, more than 30 full video lessons, and all of my exclusive Procreate Brushes sets, including the ones I'm using in this video. All of that for just $10 a month. You'll find the link in the description below. I would be so happy to welcome you there. After adding the highlights, go to Adjustments, select Gaussian Blur and slightly blur them by sliding your pencil to the right. Around 4 should be just perfect. With the same brush, gently add a few extra bright spots on the sides and over the blurred areas to enhance the shine. Once you are happy, choose the highlight layer and lower its opacity to about 80–90%. And now, for the finishing touch, create one last new layer, grab the hard edge brush, pick a rich dark orange color and add a few final texture strokes on the glossy parts. Set the brush size to 41% and tap softly along the left and right sides of the croissant to boost its volume and richness. And that's it. Our delicious watercolor croissant is ready. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more art videos. See you soon!